The biggest challenge in maintaining cleanliness at our plant is the vast area. Such a large space demands a significant number of cleaning staff, making the cleaning process both time-consuming and labor-intensive, yet often falling short of thoroughness. Labor costs are another major expense, and having many people cleaning at once can make the workspace appear cluttered. The cleaning performance of the AGIBOT C5 cleaning robot truly impressed me. A single pass by the robot achieves results equivalent to several rounds of manual cleaning, even more thorough than our manual process of sweeping once, mopping once, and mopping again. For large-scale enterprises like ours, it's an incredibly suitable solution. Once you start using it, it becomes indispensable. Whenever cleaning is needed, we can summon the robot at any time, set the cleaning route, and whether it's day or night, it starts working immediately. It's efficient, fast, and eliminates the clutter associated with manual cleaning, while also reducing management efforts. Overall, the cleaning efficiency at our plant has significantly improved, and the floors are consistently maintained at a higher standard of cleanliness. The robot also automatically returns to recharge, is easy to maintain, and saves both effort and worry. A clean factory environment significantly boosts employee morale and creates a more pleasant workplace. Smart and clean factory, starting from the ground. The AGIBOT C5 redefining industrial cleaning standards.